So ito yung losing trade na tinake ko kay Nasdaq today. So coming into the Euro KM session, bearish ako kasi we have this CE nung weekly. This is in the weekly time frame. We have the CE of that weekly rejection block on the weekly time frame, and we also have that overnight or London lows below. So I want to see bearish price action, and I want to see us tap into that particular area. And as you can see, nandun din tayo sa top side or upper STDV. So we're in premium, and that's why I wanted to see bearish price action. So yung entry naman is this was a rebalance of a 4-hour gap. May SMT tayo sa highs. Plus this is a 1 minute fair value gap, 1 minute entry, and this is also the 1 minute or the first presented fair value gap of the New York Open. So yun, I took this play, entered here, and just put my stop loss up there, and nagtake lang ako supposedly ng 1:1, and that's my break even there, so low. But yeah, lost today, and for me, I think the reason why I took this loss is medyo nag-chop around tayo, no? As you can see, nag-chop around tayo dito sa inside sa loob ng gap. Nag-form ng low, then we reject, and then tsaka siya nag-reject. So, medyo nag-stall tayo. Ideally, you would want that na kapag ka-form ng gap is ma-inverse right away. Those are much more higher probability. So, medyo nag-stall lang dito. I think that's the reason why we took this loss. But yeah, still, I still like this play. I'll grade this an A for the quality of the setup. So I'll be back tomorrow. Lost tayo today. I'll be back tomorrow and try to babawi tayo bukas. So, Hansai Trades. Peace out.